In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best vertical axis wind turbines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the vertical axis wind turbines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 3000W Vertical Wind Turbine. This 3000W wind turbine is an excellent clean energy solution for home, streetlights, marine, and more. Featuring precision-molded blades for optimized aerodynamics, a cast aluminum alloy body with dual rotating bearings for safety, and a patented permanent magnet AC generator, it ensures high efficiency. Optional controllers and inverters allow customization. A reliable and durable choice for sustainable power needs. Number 4, 2000W Vertical Axis Wind Turbine Kit. This 2000W vertical wind turbine is designed for easy installation with its self-contained setup. Its fiberglass blades enhance efficiency, while the IP54 protection ensures durability in various weather conditions. Offering a stable power output, it's ideal for eco-friendly energy solutions. Whether for home or outdoor applications, this wind turbine provides a sustainable and cost-effective renewable energy source. Number 3, 5 kW Maglev Wind Turbine with Solar Panel. This 5 kW hybrid wind turbine integrates solar panels for a reliable renewable energy solution. Lightweight and compact, it ensures stability and safety for home use. A coreless magnet generator boosts efficiency, while CE certification guarantees quality. Ideal for household applications, marine use, and street lighting, this hybrid system provides an eco-friendly and versatile power source. Number 2, 5 kW Maglev Wind Turbine, High Voltage Generator. This 5 kW high voltage wind turbine features 10/12 curved blades for optimal wind utilization. Built for longevity with a 20-year lifespan, it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. CE certified for safety, it's also compatible with solar panels, allowing for a hybrid energy system. Its efficient design makes it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a sustainable and powerful renewable energy source. Number 1, X5 Vertical Axis Wind Turbine. The X5 Vertical Axis Wind Turbine is a highly efficient home energy generator. With a robust cast aluminum alloy body and dual bearing swivel, it ensures stability and durability. A patented permanent magnet AC generator with a special stator enhances energy conversion. Its low startup speed maximizes wind energy utilization. Optional controllers and inverters offer customization, making it a perfect choice for residential renewable energy needs.